Hi, my name is Chuck Cornwell, and I wanted to be sure that you got the latest edition of our RBI Intel Market Watch Report video for the Northern Virginia area for real estate. So here's the video.
Welcome to the Northern Virginia Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence and MRIS Company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Northern Virginia housing market, which includes these areas. As of March, the nation has recovered all of the private sector jobs lost in the recession. Between February and March, the nation added 192,000 jobs, all of which were in the private sector. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, and education and health services. At 6.7%, the U.S. unemployment rate was unchanged from February. Activity in the national housing market remains sluggish, and existing home sales, new home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels. Winter weather continued to play a role, but rising prices and interest rates may impact sales favorably in the upcoming months. In Northern Virginia, buyer activity remained low in March. There were 2,309 closed sales in March, 11% fewer than last year. This is the third consecutive year-over-year decrease for this indicator. New pending contracts also decreased, falling 6% from last March to a total of 3,527 contracts. The number of homes for sale continues to rise and has now increased from the prior year for 8 months in a row. The number of active listings increased 34% from last year, rising to 6,046 listings at the end of March. Even with this increase, inventory remains tight and is only 27% of its 2006 peak. New listings continue to contribute to the increase in inventory and have risen from the prior year for 12 months in a row. There were 4,722 new listings in March, an increase of 8% from this time last year. At $400,000, the median sale price in the region was unchanged from last March. The last March level that was higher was in 2007. The median days on market is 17 days, 4 days more than last March, but below the 5-year average of 25 days. March generally continued the winter pattern seen earlier in the Northern Virginia region. Both closed sales and new pending contracts decreased. Seller activity continues to increase, but inventory remains tight. The median sale price was unchanged but remains strong, due in part to the tight inventory. After a slow winter, spring and summer should pick up and capture some of the pent-up buyer demand. That's the Northern Virginia Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.
In conclusion for our video, you can see our real estate market is still holding on and improving. Our biggest problems and challenges that we're having is limited inventory in the marketplace. Under the $500,000 price range, there just seems to be not much inventory for people to pick from, which is causing some of the problems for us in our home sales and that sort of thing. So as our inventory starts to build again, we will see more sales. The spring market has already started to move. Our next edition of the Market Watch video will come on about the 20th day of May, which will include the month of April. And by the numbers that we're already seeing for April for our sales and activity in the marketplace, I expect to see these numbers up significantly. But let's see what the market will hold. So until then, please look forward to the next one. Otherwise, if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to give any of our great agents here a call and have you help you out with any of your real estate needs. Thank you.